Ancient Greece test. First, type your last name in the box here. Next, type your first name in the box here. Now select your cycle number. Number 1, a piece of land nearly surrounded by water, peninsula, colony, or polis. Number 2, a gathering place, a marketplace in ancient Greece, colony, polis, or agora. Number 3, a Greek city-state, colony, polis, or phalanx. Number 4, a group of people living in a new territory who have ties to their homeland, the new territory itself, colony, polis, or phalanx. Number 5, a group of armed foot soldiers in ancient Greece arranged close together in rows, polis, phalanx, or agora. Number 6, a government by the people, tyrant, oligarchy, or democracy. Number 7, an absolute ruler, unrestrained by law, tyrant, oligarchy, or helot. Number 8, a government in which a small group of people have control, tyrant, oligarchy, or helot. Number 9, enslaved people in ancient Sparta, oligarchy, democracy, or helot. Number 10, a person who searches for wisdom or enlightenment, direct democracy, philosopher, or representative democracy. Number 11, 2 types of Greek drama, tragedy and suspense, tragedy and comedy, or action and animation. Number 12, a form of government in which all citizens can participate firsthand in the decision-making process, Zoroastrianism, direct democracy, or philosopher. Number 13, a form of government in which citizens elect officials to govern on their behalf, Zoroastrianism, philosopher, or representative democracy. Number 14, the Greeks fought against the Persians in several conflicts known as Peloponnesian War, Persian War, or Greek War. Number 15, the war between the city-states of Athens and Sparta and their allies, Peloponnesian War, Persian War, or Greek War. Number 16, a story written in the form of a play, drama, rhetoric, or Hippocratic oath. Number 17, a list of rules about how doctors should use their skills to help patients, drama, oral tradition, or Hippocratic oath. Number 18, the art of public speaking and debate, oral tradition, rhetoric, or Hippocratic oath. Number 19, stories passed down from generation to generation by word of mouth, drama, oral tradition, or rhetoric. Number 20, who were the great Greek thinkers, Socrates, Aristotle, and Plato, King Philip and Alexander the Great, or Zeus, Hera, and Hermes? 21, what is the most important effect of Alexander the Great's empire? Naming a city after his horse, the spread of Greek ideas, the Hellenistic age, or his military victories? And number 22, who was Alexander the Great's teacher? Mr. Condit, Aristotle, or Bucephalus?